Mucus exists in our bodies at all times, even when we're not sick. It has many different purposes, including hydrating and nourishing many different organs, including your skin. It also helps when your body is fighting an infection or has contaminants in order to trap and expunge them. This is why you may have excess mucus during periods when you're sick. The good news is that there are some all-natural ways to move that mucus along, including these 7 foods. Number 1. Pineapple. This isn't a fruit most people associate with detoxing, but they should. What sets pineapples apart is bromelain, a protein that's particularly good at getting rid of mucus. If you've ever had an operation related to your sinus, then you should know this because doctors will prescribe pineapples to patients post-surgery as a natural means of keeping overactive mucus production in check. Pineapple slices can be just as good, but try to avoid those sold in syrup. Number 2. Cardamom. Cardamom can help in reducing buildup of excess mucus in the body. Cardamom is traditionally taken after meals for aiding digestion and assimilation. It aids easy digestion of food by protecting mucous membranes. It liquefies mucus in heavy foods which are harder to digest and forms more mucus in the body. Number 3. Ginger. You can drink ginger tea, suck on ginger candies, or grate fresh ginger into your favorite dishes. Ginger is not only an anti-inflammatory but contains oodles of antioxidants, so it's just really good for you in general. Being an anti-inflammatory is what signals to your body to limit mucus production. If you don't like ginger, consider mixing it in drinks and food in small amounts and perhaps with turmeric. Number 4. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are nutritional powerhouses, and we're really just beginning to understand all the benefits that these seeds bring to the table. They contain a lot of different vitamins and even bolster our immune systems. They're a great source of fiber as well as an anti-inflammatory, and they can even help you sleep better. Of course, they also help with mucus flow and easier breathing. Number 5. Onion. Onion can help in dealing with cold, cough, fever, low immunity, and a sore throat. It can also help in eliminating excess cough. All you need to do is soak grated onion in water for around 6 to 8 hours. Drinking 3 to 4 tablespoons of this water every day can be helpful in improving health and eliminating excess cough. Number 6. Garlic. Garlic can be used as a natural expectorant which can help in breaking down phlegm and buildup. Antimicrobial properties of garlic can help in fighting viral, fungal, and bacterial infections, which causes respiratory glands to produce more phlegm. Including more garlic in your diet can help in eliminating excess phlegm from the body. Number 7. Berries. All kinds of berries work, so just go with whichever are your favorites. Strawberries, blueberries, cranberries, and so on. They're all loaded with vitamin C, potassium, and antioxidants. Drink natural berry juices. Eat them straight up or mix them in smoothies and meals. Not only do berries have a detoxing effect, but they contain a lot of fiber as well, which helps with moving contaminants along.